Welcome to our guide on how to transplant olive seedlings in containers. Transplanting olive seedlings is a crucial step in their growth and development, ensuring that they have enough space and nutrients to thrive. To successfully transplant olive seedlings into containers, start by ensuring that you have good, strong, and healthy seedlings. Additionally, it's important to choose deep containers with drainage holes to accommodate the olive seedlings. Olives have long roots, so transplanting them in deep containers is essential to give them ample room to thrive and grow strong. Let's get started on transplanting olive seedlings into containers. Begin by filling the containers with a pre-moistened, well-draining potting soil mixture. It is crucial to provide an environment that supports the growth and development of the olive seedlings. Olive seedlings thrive in potting soil enriched with organic material. Ensure that the potting soil mixture is rich in organic material to provide the necessary nutrients for the olive seedlings to flourish. Fill the containers with the prepared potting soil mixture to the top to accommodate the olive seedlings. Next, using a small bamboo cane or a pencil, gently create holes in the center of the potting soil. Make sure the holes are deep enough to support the long roots of the olive seedlings and provide ample space for them to grow downwards. Adjust the depth of the holes as needed to accommodate the length of the olive seedling's roots. It's important to create a supportive environment for the roots to establish and spread out effectively. Now, gently place each olive seedling into the prepared holes, ensuring that the roots are comfortably nestled in the soil. Take care to position the seedlings securely to promote stability and proper anchorage, ensuring it sits at the same depth as it did in its original pot. Fill in the gaps around the seedling with soil, gently pressing down to secure it in place. This allows for good root-to-soil contact, promoting healthy growth. Leave a slight indentation around the stem to help retain water. Repeat the same process with each seedling. After transplanting, water the olive seedlings thoroughly to help settle the soil and give them a good start in their new containers. Make sure to water regularly to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Place the container in a sunny spot and continue to water regularly, allowing the plant to adjust to its new home. By providing your olive seedlings with a deep container and ample room for their roots to expand, you are setting them up for success. Remember to water regularly and watch your olive seedlings thrive in their new environment. Follow these steps to ensure your olive seedlings have the best start in their new containers. Here's to healthy and flourishing olive tree. And there you have it. You've successfully transplanted each olive seedling into its own container. Happy gardening!